Hey everybody, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. Today we're going to be using something fabulous by a company called Vabulis. This is their satin hair bun, and it's available right now in two sizes. We have it in size large, and this bun is basically created to protect your ends. This is a 100% satin bun. It's lightweight. You don't have to worry about tangles and breakage. I think it's a fabulous idea. So we're going to do a cute, kind of like a flower girl style on Gabby. So just follow along with us. I'm sure this style will be beautiful on little girls of all ages.